I left a fast food meal out for a week, and what I saw under the microscope is straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is day 1. Pretty clean, right? But what happens over 7 days will blow your mind. By day 2, tiny colonies started popping up on the fries. By day 4, the bun was a full-blown bacterial rave party, with millions of organisms creating these insane, firework-like patterns. Just look at them go, but the real chaos was yet to come. On day 7, the whole meal was a bustling metropolis of 17 different types of microorganisms. The lettuce became a superhighway for bacteria swimming around, and the burger patty was just a pulsating carpet of life. You can actually see them moving and dividing in real time. Believe it or not, this same process is happening in your fridge, just a bit slower. So, maybe think twice about those old leftovers. What fast food chain should I put under the microscope next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more microscopic adventures.